Hello everyone. This video is in continuation to our videos on genetics. In our previous video, we had discussed about sex determination. In this video, we are going to talk about sex-linked inheritance. I'll tell you what is sex-linked inheritance, what are the two types, X-linked and Y-linked, and we will also make the crosses and justify that how these are these appear in individuals. Plus, I'll give you small tips also. Which will, this question will never go wrong in the paper if you follow those tips. So keep watching the whole video. So we start with sex-linked inheritance. First of all, what is it? Sex-linked inheritance. That means the inheritance which is responsible or which is linked to the sex chromosomes. Fine. So we are just talking about the XX and XY chromosome or the sex chromosomes present in both the female and the male. हम सिर्फ इन्हीं की बात करें. We are not talking about anything else. Now, there are two chromosomes. Either it is an X chromosome or it is a Y chromosome. There are two chromosomes only, either X or Y. So there are two types of sex-linked inheritance. X-linked inheritance and Y-linked inheritance. Inheritance as in, मतलब अगर parents में है, it will be transferred to the offsprings also. It is inherited further. Now, these are certain diseases or conditions, either X-linked or Y-linked. होता क्या है ये? Now, if suppose, पहले तो I'll give you examples. There are very common examples of X and Y-linked disorders. X-linked disorder आपने सुना भी होगा. It's hemophilia and color blindness. We'll be discussing both of them because both of them are there in your syllabus. Hemophilia and color blindness are examples of X-linked inheritance. What is it actually? I told you X or Y ki, we are only discussing about this. Right? It is an X-linked disorder. This I told you already. Both of them, they are X-linked. Where do I write? X-linked. That means the factor which is causing hemophilia or color blindness is only present on the X chromosome, whether it is a male or a female. So I'll write it with the factor with H for hemophilia and maybe C for color blindness. So यहाँ पे भी अगर present होगा तो सिर्फ X पे present होगा. It will not be present on Y chromosome, where it is a female or it is a male. In both the scenarios, the factor which is causing this disease is present only on the X chromosome. बहुत important चीज है. That the factor which is going to cause the sex-linked inheritance will only be present. If it is a X-linked, it will only be present on X chromosome. It is Y-linked, it is only present in Y chromosome. We'll talk Y chromosomes बाद में. First we will discuss X chromosomes. Now, these factors determine what type of an individual, कहाँ पे present है वो determine करेगा what to what limit or extent the disease is present. Like for example, if suppose X maybe if suppose the factor is present on one X chromosome, this female will be a carrier for hemophilia. If this factor is present on both, one scenario will be it is present on one chromosome, one will be it is present on both, and same goes with males. We will be discussing males as well. So second scenario is that it is present in on both the chromosomes. This female will be diseased female. Now when we talk about Y chromosome, it's only present on X chromosome, so it has only one X here. तो यहाँ males में there are no carriers. अगर male के X chromosome पे if the factor which is causing X-linked inheritance is present on the X chromosome of the male, it is a diseased male. वो carrier नहीं हो सकता. I'll tell you what is a carrier. Fine. So there are 3 conditions here, 1 or 4 conditions for that matter. Another scenario is where कहीं पे भी factor is not present. XX, XY कहीं पे भी there is no factor, so they are normal. Fine. Ab we will talk about how do we get these carriers and disease and what are they exactly. I'll give you a situation for that. Like for example, suppose this is asked as in question forms. Suppose a female, or you can say a normal female marries a hemophilic male. What is the, or you can say, how do they ask? Find the number of diseased children, or find the number of the children who have hemophilia. Ya fir they can say find the number of daughters who have hemophilia. So suppose in this situation we generally say that what is the characters, or what are the characters of offsprings? Matlab, what do we observe in the offsprings? So for this, the female is a normal female, कोई भी factor present नहीं है, but the male is hemophilic, and hemophilia is an X-linked trait, so the factor is present on the X chromosome, but the female is a normal female, तो वहाँ पे कोई भी factor is not present. This is how. It's very important. अगर आपको नहीं पता है that where to write the factor, your cross goes wrong. So you need to understand कि अगर hemophilic male लिखा है, हेमोफीलिया यू मस्ट नो इट्स एन एक्स लिंक डिसऑर्डर, तभी आप उसको एक्स पे क्रोमोसोम फैक्टर लगाओगे. सो इफ इट इज अ हेमोफिलिक मेल इट इज रिटन लाइक दिस. नाउ वी क्रॉस इट एज वी डिड इन सेक्स डिटर्मिनेशन. वन विल बी रिटन हियर, द अदर क्रोमोसोम्स विल बी रिटन हियर, प्लस विद द फैक्टर अगेन ऑफ कोर्स हियर. Now when we cross them, what is the result that we get? What is the result which is there? Result will be again x and x तो होगा ही. This is x and y. Now this x, this hemophilic x has been crossed with these two. So what do we get? One hemophilic x will be there in both the scenarios. ये वाला hemophilic x इसके साथ cross किया, ये बना. This will be crossed with y will be crossing with both these, so normal. So what is the result that we are getting? When we write the result will be that there are two daughters, two sons. Both the daughters are carriers and the males are normal. What is a carrier? Factor is there in the female but is not expressing. मतलब उसके अंदर hemophiliia factor is there but it is recessive. It's not expressing, and it is there in the bloodstream but it's not showing the effect. मतलब the female is not hemophilic. It's just a carrier for the factor. अगर एक और scenario की if we talk about, let's take some other scenario as well. Suppose here in this scenario, I'll change it here only because we need some space for Y chromosomes as well. So suppose here we say that a carrier female marries a hemophilic male. So carrier है तो we will write this factor on 1. अगर disease लिखा होता we would have written it on both the X chromosomes. So now again change it. This is one carrier. We need one carrier here. One carrier and diseased. We cross them. What do we get? We get this result. Fine. And here also this Y is crossing with this H, so we'll get this. ठीक है? So what is the result now? Result has changed altogether. The whole result will change. What do we get now? The result which we get is again 2 males and 2 females, or 2 boys or 2 girls, out of which one is diseased female, other one is a carrier female, this is a diseased male, and this is a normal male. So this is how the scenario changes. याद रखने की बात क्या है? Wherein both the factors are present on both the chromosomes, it's a diseased condition. In males, it's present on only one X because there is no other X. So they ask you this question. Why do you think males are not carriers for X-linked disorders? So the answer will be, as the males have only one X chromosome, and if it has the factor for the disease, there is no other X chromosome to mask its effect. There is a Y chromosome which is not responsible for it at all. So there is no other X chromosome to mask the effect of the first X chromosome. Hence, the males are never carriers. They are always diseased. Okay? So this is about X-linked disorder. When we talk about Y-linked disorders, पहले तो बहुत simple है. Y-linked, they are only present in males. Simple reason, because the Y chromosome is only present in males. So there will be no cross which can be made for this. Because if the factor is present on the Y chromosome, that means how will we write this situation? This is a male and the factor of this, whatever the disease is present only on the Y chromosome. X से कोई लेना देना ही नहीं है. So when there is no relationship of X, again there can be no cross because females only have X chromosomes. So Y-linked disorders or characters or traits are only present in the males. इनको हम male traits भी बोलते हैं. Very common, two very common of them are pattern baldness. मतलब आपने देखो कुछ लोग यहाँ से गंजे होते हैं, कुछ साइड से गंजे होते हैं, कुछ सिर्फ यहीं से गंजे होते हैं, bald होते हैं. So this is pattern baldness which is only seen in males. It's not seen in females because the factor for pattern baldness is only present on Y chromosome. The next one is hypertrichosis, which is a very common feature in Lalu Prasad Yadav. You can see the ear hair on the ears. वो बहुत cartoons में भी बहुत वो prominent बनाते हैं. That is hypertrichosis. Hypertrichosis, that means the hair on the ear or the pinna. So that's also a male feature, which is the factor for which is present only on the Y chromosome. So this is sex-linked inheritance. We have discussed X-linked and Y-linked both with the crosses. Please learn these very, very, in detail so that you never make your cross wrong. So this is it about sex-linked inheritance. In our next video, we'll talk about the monohybrid crosses. So keep watching, liking, sharing, subscribing. Thank you.